Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I wanted to bring you guys a little bit of an update. I'm sorry I wasn't here yesterday. I've had quite a few different things happen recently and it's just been pretty tough. So I just want to bring this to you. So it says Litecoin LTC is the digital silver to Bitcoin BTC's digital gold, says Abra CEO. In a recent podcast, Bill Bart, I'm sorry if I mispronounced his name, the CEO of Abra discussed the Bitcoin to Litecoin shift on their exchange platform. A month ago, the Abra team announced the switching from Bitcoin to Litecoin as their underlying asset for the exchange. What led to this decision? To clarify, Bill, who is the CEO of Abra, says, "We are supporting Bitcoin and Litecoin as asset classes, and we now have the ability to move smart contracts between the two." You can think of it like sidechain solution where atomic swaps can be done between smart contracts based upon either asset class. The team tested the first version of the existing app, which supports 20 cryptocurrencies, and realized that the mining fees for simple transactions hit around $30 to $35, putting them in worry. Bill considers this a poor business model as the mining fees were huge. According to him, the app was very user-friendly with a higher mining fee, hence they decided to reevaluate the whole process, understanding the fact that there was a potential for this to create a glitch in the future. The Abra team decided to have another asset class that was compatible with Bitcoin, and at the same time gave a little bit more on-chain scalability and lower mining fees. They looked into Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and other altcoins, and felt that in terms of adherence to their core map, SegWit supports basic binary compatibility, and comparing existing Bitcoin models, Litecoin was best suited. The team immediately began to process of integrating Litecoin to Abra, which rapidly reduced the mining fees. All worked out well, and the team ended up launching the solutions and are migrating users over to Litecoin from Bitcoin. The team has the ability to go back and forth, says Bill. Bill stated, "It is a killer model, and we look at Litecoin as the digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold, and they complement each other very well, and the entire Litecoin team is very supportive. We love their adherence, core roadmap, and they are good believers, and we are off to the races with Litecoin as our next asset class." So you guys have heard this straight out of the CEO's mouth here. Further, he discussed about how the Bitcoin fees affected Abra's profit negatively during the final quarter of 2017. Bill added, "Mining fee is not based on dollar value but memory footprint up the transactions, and some multi-sig contracts are by definition bigger, and for Abra it's a double whammy. Taking this on chain while testing, I can say $20 for you is like $30 for us. This isn't the first time LTC is chosen over other currencies because it follows the same path as BTC while offering cheaper solutions." And guys, you got to remember that Litecoin was forked off of Bitcoin, and it's basically a faster, better version of Bitcoin. So that's what I wanted to bring to you guys today. Don't be discouraged about the price and what's going on. You can see all this adoption happening. So guys, when we really have the next run, like you started to see, we had 5 days. This is just a healthy correction. It's a healthy pullback. We had 5 days worth of run. Litecoin went from $116, $120 all the way up to $165. And guys, people are going to take profits. That's what happens. Like I told you, there's many good traders in this space now, and when they see a profit of 20 to 30%, they're going to pull the trigger and they're going to take some money, let the price come back down, and then they're going to go back at it again. And it wasn't only Litecoin that dropped, the whole market dropped, because that's what happens. People take profits. When we got back into this, 6 months ago, a year ago, there wasn't as many traders in this market. There was more of like the gamblers, if we can say it like that, people who are just saying, you know what, this looks good, I'm going to put some money into it. But now we have actual traders, and traders want to make money, and when they see that type of a run and the RSI levels up in the 70s and 80s, you can bet your butt that they're going to take some profit. So this is just a healthy pullback, and I just wanted to bring to you guys how this adoption is taking off, and how Abra's CEO is saying that Litecoin is the digital silver to Bitcoin, not EOS to Bitcoin, not even Ethereum to Bitcoin, the silver to Bitcoin is Litecoin. So I wanted to bring this to you all. I wanted to encourage y'all. I know people get stressed out, this or that, but you have to remember that if you're hodling, you are in this for the long haul. It is a long-term investment. You didn't plan on selling it at $165, so why would you plan on selling it at $145? Unless, guys, like we said, you could see that the RSI was overbought and we knew a pullback was coming, then it would have been a smart time to sell some coins and buy back at around $140. I haven't been feeling the best, and like I told you, I had some personal stuff going on, so I wasn't able to make that move, and it was kind of devastating because I was away from the charts for a while, and I saw it at 165, and then the next day I basically woke up and it was at 142, and I thought to myself, you know, I could have gotten more free coins if I would have sold at that 165, but I wasn't able to be around the charts. So I wanted to bring this to you guys. I wanted to encourage you guys. I just wanted to tell you to have a wonderful day. I'm going to try to bring you a couple more videos today, get on the charts, but I just want to tell you, get out there and hustle, guys. Make it happen. Make it work. And I'm going to leave you today with a great Bible verse that I really love, and it's Isaiah 60:20. It says, "The Lord will be your everlasting light, and your days of sorrow will end." And that's just a really good one for kind of what I'm going through right now. So I just want to encourage you all, hang in there, be strong, and let's wait for this next run. God bless you all.